Dragons when I was a boy. Oh, there were great grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic scary birds. Little brown scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 20 times as big as the big blue whale. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by. Others say they were nothing but folktales to begin with. I'm okay with that. Remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I'm glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? I'll give you some oil and a little fine tuning.
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out. Like this. That's it. Let him come to you. Legend says that when the ground quakes or lava spews from the earth, it's the dragons letting
Young ones,